Okay, now bear with me for a second here, because there is so much going on today. It all started with his fairly usual Huracan STO and this guard getting upset at me and my evil camera. Yeah, I know, it's not the first time this happens to me. Nothing really weird, but it all changed when I discovered that he was, in fact, trying to hide away this test mule. Can you recognize it? Yeah, exactly, it's the upcoming Hybrid V12 Lamborghini. Well, unfortunately for them, I'm not as stupid as he thinks. And just some minutes later, I got this clip. I mean, I've never seen a test driver being so scared about a camera. But hey, what do I know, right? Interestingly, we can spot the new LEDs in the front, very similar to the one found on the Lamborghini Sian. And at the back we can also see the new taillights and the third brake light in action. Not that bad, huh? Well guys, the car is coming in less than a month, so as always stay tuned for more.